Master Study in Structural Engineering. It is a completely on-the-job learning program offered by our structural consultancy firm. So our company name is Econstruct Design and Build Private Limited. We are a Bangalore-based structural consultancy firm and we have designed and delivered projects worth more than 2000 crores so far. The tallest building we are designing here in India is up to G plus 62 story structure. And our founder and MD, Mr. Sandeep Pingle, he's a passionate structural engineer and he has experience of designing up to G plus 81 story structure when he was working in Gulf. So basically, this training program which we launched is especially for those who are aspiring to become structural design engineers. And as you know, structural engineer is also known as a doctor of the building. We compare this line with doctors because as doctors need the judgment, in the similar manner, structural engineer will also need a judgment. It's a judgmental science and a niche field. And this requires 3 P's. The first P, of course, is passion. Second P is patience. And the third P is practice. So basically, what you need to start career in the structures line is a mentor from the industry who can guide you on the real projects. And only way to learn structural engineering, it can be on the job, which means hands-on learning experience. And at our platform in Econstruct office, we make sure that we give on-job learning wherein you will get exposure to work right from central line plant to GFC. You will get exposure on RCC, steel, composite, all types of structures from India and abroad. You will become part of our team. You'll work in teams sometimes, and at times you will be expected to work independently to deliver the project. You will also get involved in generating technical reports and presentations. So this is very important skill which the client or your employer would be expecting you to have. Master Study in Structural Engineering is a completely on-job learning which will have 6 months of technical training followed by 6 months of internship. This training can be done in various modes as per your convenience. The best way to do this is to pack your bags and come to Bangalore to do a offline training. In the offline training, the funda is simple. You have to come once the office opens, go once the office closes. You will be punching, coming in the office, sitting with your laptop in the cubicles with our technical team and working on the projects. One of our engineer would be your reporting manager and you will be involved in real projects right from start to end to gain real work experience. This training in offline mode will give you a replica of work from office environment. Second way to do this training is in online mode. Now under online mode, we have 2 types of candidates. The first candidate who is not working anywhere, who is free whole day, but someone who is not interested to come to Bangalore, but wants to do the same training in the online mode. In that case, you can log in to the Zoom meeting. You will have your dashboard, your user ID password. You can log in and ask doubts to our team. You can stay connected with our team throughout the day in your chat box and through the Zoom meetings. Basically, this is a replica of work from home mode. So this is one type of online learning. The another type of learning which happens in online is self-paced learning. This is basically recommended to those who are working. Suppose if you are into a job right now and you're working 8 to 9 hours per day, and for some people the work is more than 12 hours per day including the travel time. In this case, if they want to upgrade their career to the structural engineering, or there are many site engineers who call that we did MTech structures but we're working as a site engineer and we want to come back in the structures line without leaving our current job. In that case, we have another option for you. In this mode, it will become a self-paced training for you. Now, what is self-paced training? Self-paced training in the sense will give you pre-recorded videos and the output expected from you is to submit the assignment or the projects from time to time. So basically, you need to set your routine in such a way that every day you should have a routine and a discipline and habit of watching the videos which are given to you. It is live. You can watch those videos anytime, 24/7. After watching the videos, assignments will come to you in your dashboard. You have to do the assignment or project and submit it to the team. If you have doubt, our team is available in Zoom during the working hours. You can just click on the link, meet the team or your mentor or reporting manager, get your doubts clarified. Apart from that, there is a chat server where your quick doubts can be asked and we have dedicated hours for doubt clearing session also. Apart from all this, on the go, if you would like to contact our team on WhatsApp, it is not a recommended medium, but sometimes for on the go doubt clearing, WhatsApp medium is also available for asking doubts. So basically, if you are a working professional wanting to do this training program to switch your career or to upgrade your career in structures, then a self-paced online learning mode is available through pre-recorded videos and doubt clearing sessions. So these are the three modes which I just told you: 100% offline, 100% online, wherein you are logged into Zoom whole day, and the third mode, of course, is pre-recorded videos mode, wherein you basically do the training by watching the videos and submitting the assignments and asking the doubts. Next mode of learning that we have is hybrid mode. Hybrid mode means you are allowed to come, even though your admission is mostly online, but you are allowed to come to the Bangalore office. So you are expected to be in Bangalore office from your batch starting date for around 7 days to 15 days, or even less than 7 days is possible. So initial 1 or 2 weeks you spend in our office, then you go back to your hometown, you do the training in online mode just like any other online student, and at the end of the training again you are welcome to Bangalore office for 7 days to 15 days to 30 days max. So basically in the hybrid mode, you come to Bangalore office on the batch starting date, spend few weeks, 1 week or 2 weeks at Bangalore, and at the end also you spend some time with us to clarify your final doubts. So this is another mode which is hybrid. So now, to give you a summary of the course, the training program name is Master Study in Structural Engineering. Mode of learnings are online. In online, again, we have a full-time online work from home kind of a thing, and we have self-paced video recording training. Apart from this, we also have a hybrid mode. So basically, offline, online, and hybrid mode. These are the options for learning. So what is the way of training, or what is the methodology adopted? So let me tell you, this is not a training which will give you a replica of your school, college, coaching center, or tuition center, or any university kind of a program. This is basically a program offered by a consultancy firm. We ourselves hold structural consultancy license, and we have experience on Indian and international projects. So since we are also an employer, we understand very well what the employer is expecting, and hence the training pattern has been set in such a way that this will not be like any other school, college kind of a thing. So this is not a syllabus bound training, or this is not a timetable bound training or a faculty bound training. The whole training is completely hands-on, project-based learning. Basically, you will be involved in the whole life cycle of the project, and you will work and gain experience and remove your fresher's tag. So the pattern of training is on-job or hands-on experiential learning. Now, what are the certifications offered? The main reason people come to us even after doing MTech structures is to gain real work experience, because in structures, wherever you go, the first question employer will ask, show me your experience. And until and unless you have relevant experience in the structural line, it is very, very difficult to start your career in this line. And hence, we are solving that very problem of yours. You will be able to remove your fresher's tag because we are going to give you experience letter, whichever mode of training you adopt. If you have submitted the projects, if you have worked on the projects right from start to end and submitted the projects and filled your timesheet on daily basis, then you get experience letter for whatever duration you spend with us. And we also help you for the background verification check. Apart from this, of course, you get a Master Study in Structural Engineering certification from our company, and you get personal branding assistance with 100% placement. Now, what is this personal branding assistance? Basically, only hard skills is not enough in today's world. What you need along with hard skills is soft skills. So under personal branding, we will help you how to make your resume, CV, portfolio, how to make your LinkedIn profile, how to get shortlisted right in the inbox of the HR, how to make your 1-minute video resume, and what are the basic corporate etiquettes that you should know for surviving in the job market. So these are the things included in your soft skills sessions. So basically, Master Study in Structural Engineering is a correct blend of hard skills and soft skills, and it comes with 100% placement for those who have done the training properly right from start to end, and someone who has completed all projects very seriously, attentively, without any break in between is guaranteed placement at our platform, and not only in India but even abroad. If you want to know more about our placement record, check out the description box of this video. We have given a link for where you can see that where our students are placed. Apart from this, if you would like to know more about this training program, our website has complete details. Open the link given in the description box. on your laptop or desktop for complete information, and don't hesitate to send your queries in audio or text message on the WhatsApp number given on the screen. Apart from all this, if you would like to meet us in Zoom for clarifying your doubts, then we welcome you to meet us on Zoom by booking appointment on the number given on the screen. Not only this, you can walk into our Bangalore office with a prior appointment for knowing more about the training program and to know about the work culture here at eConstruct. So basically, if you're looking forward to start your career in structures line and get trained from the industry experts and especially Sandeep sir, then this is the best platform which will guarantee you to gain the right kind of a confidence and to remove your freshers tag as well. So see you in the next batch at eConstruct. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.